How to take astrophotography on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Camera on your device. Then slide it all the way to the left side till you find Pro Mode, which you find beside Nightscape. Then click on Shutter Mode, which is over Pro. And then click it to 30. After selecting it to 30, click on ISO, keep it to 800, then go to other option, keep it to 2300, and that is WB, and then click your photo. And that's how you take astrophotography on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next.